so cold.
Oh. He would kill me next time he saw me.
Dead bad.
A, B, C, D, E, F. In today's video, I bought a 2004 STI with 190,000 miles. It doesn't run, it's rotted out, and I paid over 10 grand for it. It's super cold this week. This thing's getting dropped off here in a minute, and we gotta try and get it in the shop, and we are going to find out if it's gonna pay off or if we got burned. Let's go take a look.
It is absolutely freezing today. Oh my word. What a day for a delivery.
So cold. I can't feel my face. It's windy, it's cold. I don't know why I live here. I'm losing all hope for warmth. The sun, haven't seen it in weeks, maybe months.
Oh, ready?
Ready.
Good luck in there. This thing's loaded with parts.
And snow.
Oh yeah. So cold.
It's time to go inside.
Yeah, let's just both do it. Golly, this sucks. This sucks.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Golly, dude. All right, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Golly, it's like we just hit bump after bump.
So close.
I don't think we're close. I'm going to push it with your car.
Sure.
You go grab a tire. Should have just done this a while ago. What a dumb thing not to do. There it is. 2004 STI, heavily modified with a bunch of brand new stuff from Wisconsin. That was easy.
First try.
What you doing, buddy? You have to know good, per usual. Oh, there's your sister. Honey. All right, we are unboxing all the parts we got with this 04. This, Moses, scared me. This is the most expensive purchase I've had in a while. I paid a lot for this car, not being running and having 190,000 miles with rust on it. But let's pull some of these parts out. I don't know what a lot of this is. Looks like some extra coolant hose stuff. And then I'm guessing these are some fittings to the radium fuel rails that are on the car. Very nice. Hey, this looks like a lot of poo-poo. How did this dude pack this stuff in? Moses. Let's try this. Looks like a bunch of stock parts. Bunch of gaskets. Oh, come on, baby. Okay. OEM heat shield, that's garbage. She's a little crusty. Oh, look, a brand new, sweet. Dang, it's not even open. What is it? It's gotta be a wideband. I think it's an AEM wideband, not even open. Look at it, seal still on it. I love it so much. What is this? 3-port electronica booster controller, brand new. Should I, every time if it's a brand new in part box, should I go, oh, what is this? It's a Cobb box. Come on, Cobb, tell me what it is. It says air box, but oh, it is. Golly, dude, did this guy not do anything with this thing? Oh. It's brand new, dude. He must have the intake on the car, but he just didn't put the box on yet. I love brand new and box parts. Oh, I'm guessing some like sleeving he was gonna put around the engine harness, or, oh, it's for like interior radio cables. Cool, probably not something that's gonna get used. Cheapo triple gauge pod. I was hoping it was an ATI, but it is not. Cheapo. Bunch of brand new heat shrink too. We'll just keep that. Access port. Cobb post map hose. B-nib. Oh. Brand new AEM fuel pump. B-nib. Oh. Wow. China boy turbocharger. Actually feels decent. Looks decent. Looks can be deceiving. Subaru SF intake system. B-nib. Oh. I didn't realize there were so many brand new and box parts. Garbage, garbage. Cut towards your buddy, not your body. Wisconsin plate with a nice little cover. Oh, ding ding. Cobb cat head downpipe. Cat still intact, that's good. Meow. Oh, Cobb, very good, very nice. Fresh beam foam. SPT intake, OEM option intake. Killer Bee hard turbo inlet. I don't know why he used the Mishimoto instead of this one. He had the coupler on the wrong end though. Crash beam, that's a little rusty. Ow! Woo! I hit my thumb and then I pinched my hand. Present for you, Ben. Oh. Stock Timic. That's good. This is actually kind of valuable, I think. I think this is the stock airbox or the stock heat shield for the SPT intake. Hard to find. Head gasket, you think we're gonna reuse these? Intercooler bracket, exhaust cam gear.
Dancing in misery.
What does he say? Yeah, I'm definitely saying that wrong. Bro, he cut the stock intake.
I dance in misery.
I'm still gonna say it like that.
Hola, soy toda
Garbage.
in misery, misery.
Are you sure it's you? It's I am in misery? Yeah, it probably is. Golly, let me have it. Another mint rear seat. Let's see if I can open this. Dang. Dude, how am I supposed to get this trunk open? There's stuff right in the way. I legitimately don't know how I'm gonna get it open. Like, I can't, I'm serious. I'm gonna have to like unbolt these bars here and pull stuff out the front. I think I'm gonna have to. Spare 5x100 BBS wheel. That's bent. Oh, dude, she's wrecked. Exity Hyper Series. Pink or purple? That is the question. Most people would say it's purple. You got it? Oh, that might have been why. Awesome, thank you. Holy. All right, what else is over here? What? I didn't know about this. Brand new PLM external wastegate up pipe? Maybe I did know about it, I'm just dumb. 44 mil external wastegate. These are in the car. They don't look like they're company 23. They look like knockoffs, but exhaust cam tool gear, exhaust cam gear tool, crank pulley tool, PLM, brand new PLM pipe, OEM cams. Actually look like they're in pretty good shape, but I'm not sure what this is. I don't even know if I've ever seen this before. Subaru keychain. All right, I think that's it for unboxing the front seats. Got some Cobb intercooler piping. Very nice. Oh, geez, the glove box broke. Anything you want in here? These are always cool.
Temporary restraining order.
Are you serious? So he was giving somebody a restraining order?
It's his neighbor.
He was filing a restraining order on his neighbor? Oh my word. Because why?
Because he told me he would kill me next time he saw me. He pulled out, spelled pulled wrong. He pulled out a butcher knife on me. He tried to fight me, so.
I would probably file a restraining order too. Bro has his blood work in here. What's his A1C? Check it out! Look at.
This is a separate injunction against the same neighbor.
Yikes. Hopefully he moved. Pink or red?
Obviously.
All right, what's in this pairing box? Bypass valve. Oh, I think that's on the car already. So this is probably the stock one. Look at that, I'm genius. Yep, stock one. We'll put the brand new pairing one in here. All right, we're almost unloaded. We're getting close. This is literally how much people spend on these things. Just the motor, $11,400. So this guy's original plan was he blew the engine, the stock engine. His original plan was to build his own engine. And so here's some brand new in box. Oh, mainly connecting rods. H-Tough series. So if you're trying to build an engine, bang my line. Bang my line. Dippy, Carrillo pistons.
This guy got ordered to get a vehicle emissions test January 6th, went in and got a letter on January 16th saying he failed and that his registration had been suspended.
That's sick looking. You should look these up. I'm curious how much they are. So it's a $750 kit. Those pistons look nice though. Is it in focus? Can you see? Does it look cool? I love getting brand new parts. This is cool. I'm keeping this. Repair manual.
That's cool.
Super cool. Look at that. Awesome. Center case of the transmission. Wow. 6-speed bell housing and front differential. If you're interested to see how the front differential works, Benjamin. 6-speed gear sets. Super cool. There's that.
Dippy.
Are you serious? Golly, dog. I hope that's on camera. Non-external wastegate up pipe. I'll give you a $5 bonus if you can tell me what this is. 2 guesses. It is something trans related, I'll tell you that. When I say transmission related, it's in the transmission. People in the comments have to tell me what this is too. I'm not gonna say it on camera. Here, I got you another present.
It's cute.
Yep, my exact words. Stock Earl pan.
Garbage.
Garbage. He bought a lot of good stuff, I'll tell you that. Stock clutch and flywheel. Shift forks. In the stock engine he was gonna rebuild. Spare tar. All right, she's unloaded. Dippy, get out of the car, dude. All right, we got this Mama Jamma up on the hoist. Take a look at some of the brand new parts on this thing. White line lateral links, sway bars, end links, Jesus bolt. Looks a little crusty. The rockers are all bashed up, unfortunately. Don't know what exhaust it is. Can't find a brand. It almost looks like a Cobb, but I don't think it is. Really crusty transmission mount. Front hubs don't look too bad. Brembos. It's got another brand new white line front sway bar, white line ball joints and tie rod ends. The brand new engine, brand new Killer Bee pan, brand new Tomai header that is already sold. Yeah, it's got a lot of good stuff. See the beautiful external wastegate. Brand new. Brand new tires. Brand new radiator. Oh, Outfront Motorsports. Very nice. Also has some Perrin solid engine mounts, it looks like. Brand new. It's got a lot of other good stuff that we will get into once the engine is out because it's on the engine. So stick around. We're gonna do a speed test on this one too, see how fast I can get it out. It's kind of cheating because it's already partially disassembled. I might add like 10 minutes. We'll see, because there's no down pipe. The front mount piping is off. There's no fluids. So I'm cheating a little bit, but we'll still see how fast I can do it. All right, so we are gonna pull the engine and I am gonna see how fast I can do it. Everything else looks assembled. Everything else looks plugged in. Fuel lines are hooked up. I'm hoping I can break the record, my record, even though it's cheating, but we'll see. We'll jump right into it. Come with me Friday, don't say maybe. Bro's got a punch blocking off a fuel line. Look.
It's like a movie.
Why? Okay, first of all, when I cycled the key on, before I did, I unplugged the fuel pump because I didn't want to turn the key on because this injector or this fuel line isn't connected over here. So I'm amazed that that has pressure in it. What on earth? Why is bro got, that's why his bro's got a punch in the fuel line. Thankfully my eyes made it.
I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby like you.
Are you ready?
Obviously.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Also, I'm not allowed to just cut things unnecessarily.
I'm just a teenage maiden baby like you.
Radiator fan. Oh, I'm talking like directly into the mic.
A teenage dirtbag baby.
Social media platforms will probably copyright us because of me singing.
Dirtbag.
Unfortunately, my phone ran out of storage during this engine race, but I was able to get the engine out, and it was one of my faster times, but I had way too much of a head start with all the things that were partially apart, so we will just move on. Let's get this beautiful engine on the engine stand. Sheesh! Wow, 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 wow. Golly! Dang. It's fun to fantasize. Oh, I gotta stop. They're gonna copyright us. The one wish who I was.
I dance in misery.
Should have people put in the comments whether I'm right or wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong, but. Is it I dance in misery or I am in misery? Dance in misery sounds better. Who doesn't dance in misery? I do whenever I dance.
Misery.
What about Oklahoma?
Misery. Oh yeah.
I'm overheating. I'm undressing on camera.
Just another Saturday at the bar.
Where do you think all this money come from, son?
I am in misery.
This doesn't sound right. It doesn't. It sounds horrible. Moses. Got it.
Misery.
Oh yeah.
Paradise.
Radium fuel rails.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Brand new. Oh.
I dance in misery.
Where? Ah! I was right.
I photoshopped it.
You did? Oh, you turd. What a jerk. All right, so we have made some off-camera progress. And the reason I'm tearing this down is because it's an out-front short block, but the heads, the guy built himself and assembled himself onto the engine. And there's been already a lot of questionable assembly otherwise. And so I trust selling the out-front short block. I don't trust selling the long block. And it's got some really cool timing, some cam pulleys in here that we're gonna see in a second. But I'll get more money for the out front alone and then selling the heads or the internals of the heads than I will selling everything together, because I don't trust the work, and I would tell that to somebody, so I don't want to risk that. Let's just for fun pop one of these off. Mucho shiny. Look at that. That's pretty sick looking. Just come look at these, Ben. Brand new. Oh. All right. I'm gonna flip this thing over and pull the headers and the pan set up, and then we'll get the timing off and pull the heads off. So this dude bought this Tomai setup. Very nice, brand new. Brand new. Oh. And then he welded on this V-band flange so that he could use the wastegate setup with this Tomai header, and he got the screamer pipe from the PLM brand new up pipe that was earlier in the video. So super clean baller setup. Keith got a sick setup. Keith also bought the oil pan. This This engine was bought 6 years ago. This is the weird thing about 6 years ago. I was 18 and I hadn't even really, I had sort of started this business, but I was definitely not full time. It's weird to think about. All right, let's pull this oil pan for Mr. Keith. When I sell this kind of stuff, I am super on top of keeping all the hardware because I hate buying things that doesn't come with the correct hardware. All right, soldered. All right, we're about ready to pull the cylinder head off. Actually, that was a lie. I'm getting way ahead of myself. We're about ready to pull the valve cover off. Golly. BC, I believe stage 2 cams. Very nice. Now I believe this guy told me this also has aftermarket valves and springs. BC retainers, so it's probably got BC springs if I had to guess. Man, I need a Tecton tool sponsorship. They replied like once and then they ended up replying again. And I think I emailed again and never got anything back. Maybe I just need Ben Cook to email them. Maybe that's why I didn't get anything. We only sponsor literate people. All right, let's remove these head bolts. A, B, C, D, E, F. Ready? How's it gonna look? Looks brand new. Obviously never ran before.
Oh my word. What'd I tell ya? I'm never wrong.
I don't think that's quite true. So semi-closed deck, you see the little supports, and then Outfront Motorsports, you can actually see the outline of them. See all these? They machine those and then they press them in there. All right, let's do the other side, and then this thing is probably gonna fly off the shelf immediately. All right, let me clean up a little bit and then we'll jump back onto the video.
I'm just a dirtbag baby.
Let me know if you want any singing lessons. A, B, C, D, E, F. I know the alphabet. She's mint. Dang, these heads are so nice too, dude. Holy smokes. I didn't even show this to the camera. Golly, these things are mint. Look at this, Ben. Mint, dude, we're dialed. For camera proof, obviously it's in great shape as you can see. And Outfront Motorsports stamp. This side's mint. It's probably gonna disappear like right now, if I'm being honest. But I'm super glad that the engine is good. Poor 04 STI. I do feel a little bad about this one, sort of. There she goes. Right, Dip? We did end up taking that 2004 to the scrapyard, and I believe that one actually had a quarter panel put on the back, and it was very rusty. There was bondo work, and that was a way more expensive purchase than I typically do, and it paid off with that brand new engine and all the other brand new parts. We pretty much sold everything from that car already, but if you need other parts, you can hit me up on Facebook or Instagram or check our eBay store, although eBay is much farther behind than the rest of the platforms. We've got tons of other parts ready to go, lots of newer cars, some older ones as well, and more cars on the way. Thank you for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next one.